Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite side dish, which is pickled vegetable. Alright, get started.
This purple cabbage, I cut it in really thinly strip, alright, and carrots. I got bell pepper. I used the mini one because that's what I have again, but you can use those big different color of bell pepper. I have red onion, cilantro. If you don't have cilantro, you can use parsley. And I have lime. Okay, so that's all you need to make this dish. Now we go on to my dressing.
So let's make the dressing. So you're gonna need a bowl. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of vinegar. I use this kind, but you can use plain white vinegar as well. Alright, so we'll do vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, okay, and 1/3 of that. And we put it in there. Okay, I got
2 tablespoons sugar.
Okay, and then I have cumin right here. And I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of that. Okay, half a teaspoon of paprika. I use the smoked one because this is what I have again. You can use the plain one. That. I have cayenne pepper. Okay, half a teaspoon of that as well. So we get 1/2 of that. What I like about this is it has a little bit of kick on it. If you don't have any of cayenne pepper, just put chili or jalapeño on your dish just to give it a kick. And then I have lime. You can use calamansi. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. And I have 3 of these, and you probably need about 6 or 8 calamansi. Okay, this will give it a tangy flavor as well. Still, okay, and then just stir them up. I make this a lot of time, and I use this with my taco salad. And if I make like a pork belly and I fry them, I put this on my side dish. It's absolutely delicious with it. Okay, so let's put everything together on all my vegetables. And if you have chili or jalapeno, if you want this really spicy, add them up. It's up to you, how spicy you want them. Okay, so that's all you need. And you need one of this tongue, or you can use 2 spoons and then mix it up. Okay, so let's add our dressing that we just made. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it up. And what's good about this is you can make it in the morning and set them in a refrigerator. Okay, and then you can cover them up, put them in a Tupperware, and this will stay fresh until tomorrow. And it's actually, when you're having a big party the next day, make it at night and put it in the refrigerator. This is really good with sandwich. This is excellent with it. Okay, you can put this with taco, also pulled pork sandwich as well. Okay, so this is how I make it. That's really easy. All you need to do is cut up all your veggie like I did right here. Put it in the refrigerator. The more it sits in the dressing, the better the flavor is. That's it. And you won't regret it. It's delicious. You can also, put this aside, fried fish or fried chicken. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna try to make it next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.